everyone, recently I've added a new addition in my kitchen, Brewine nutrifit blender 400 watts. It's a perfect kitchen companion which helps me in every task, right from morning breakfast to dinner recipes. nutrifit blender has two jars. The long jar comes with a 4-wing blade for mixing, blending, and the short jar with 2-wing flat blade for grinding to make all kinds of chutneys, shakes, smoothies and masalas. It is compact in size and consumes less space as compared to bulky juicers and mixers. It's easy to clean and operate. I absolutely love this blender. Go get yours now.